What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So today, we want to look at the evidence leader at the Madlanga Commission. So this is Advocate Lee Ncube, who is leading the evidence at the Madlanga Commission, and she is an advocate, a lawyer that is affiliated with the Bridge Group of Advocates in Johannesburg, and she has been appointed, as the evidence leader at the Judicial Commission of Inquiry into Criminality, Political Interference, and Corruption in the Criminal Justice System, which is the Madlanga Commission, which was established by Cyril Ramaphosa to investigate alleged corruption, political interference, etc. So this is not your first time, taking upon such huge commissions of inquiries. She has previously acted in major commission of inquiries, for example, the 2021 transcript shows, doing evidence leading role in different commissions of inquiries. So being appointed as an evidence leader at such a high profile commission, it signals she is being considered a capable and respected advocate in a complex public law inquiry work. I'll catch you guys on the next one.